Hi guys, what's up? So today we're going to be recreating a look that I just posted on my most recent post. Usually when I try to recreate a look, it is a little bit off of the original unless I just like did it before I like asked you if you wanted a tutorial, but yeah, so I'm gonna try and get it as close to that look as possible. I already have some stuff on my face and some mascara. I went to Target, so I wasn't trying to look homeless, so I'm going to fill my brows and then prime my eyelids and get ready for the eye look, and then we'll just add the lips and it'll pretty much be the same exact look. The main focus is just how to create that eye look, so that's what I'm gonna show y'all. So let's do this. Okay, so brows are on. If you were wondering, I have been obsessed with the Benefit brow products. They did send these to me for free and I'm trying them out and I am loving these. The products that I used in my brows today, I've been using the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This one's like a little bit more fine tip than the other one. Love this. This is the shade, I get the shade number 5 for mine. This is the Gimme Brow. It's kind of just like a nice little tint that you can run through your brows, even if you don't want to like make them all precise like this. You can just like fill it with this real quick and like give it, give them a little bit more pop. I put this in my brows too. This is also shade 5. This is the brow gel. I normally use just like a clear mascara, but this is really, really good. Like they don't move when you put this stuff in your brows. And then they also sent the Goof Proof brow pencil, which is also number 5, but this one is just a little bit thicker, just like this. Love, love, love these brow products. I'm so happy they sent those to me because I was running out of my like go-to, and yeah, this is like perfect. Anyways, let's get into the eyes. So y'all are probably gonna hate me, but the colors that I'm using, I'm literally only I'm only going to use 2 shades, actually 3 shades total for this look. Now this is like, this is kind of old. This is a palette that I like took apart and put into one of these Z palettes. It's Kylie Cosmetics, but I don't remember which one. I don't even know which one this is, but I'll show you the shades so at least you'll like have an idea of what kind of colors I'm going for. So like a mauvey shades, white eyelid, and then I'm gonna, what is my dog doing? I am gonna go in first with this shade right here. It's like a brown, like a red orangish brown, light brown shade. I'm just going to focus that in the crease part of my eyelid and blend it out. Try to keep it like barely above that brow, or yeah, barely above the crease, which is like right here where my eyelid folds. For this, I'm using the brush, a Morphe R37. Okay, so now I'm gonna switch my brushes. I'm gonna use an this is Morphe by the way, M573 brush. It's just a little bit more precise. I wanna get a little bit like more into the crease. So I'm going to now use this shade. It's like a cranberry-ish red. Grape cherry, come and get this honey. But you guys remember that song? Okay. Dip. I'm gonna tap, tap, y'all, tap, tap. And I'm gonna I like to press it into the spot that I'm going in with it and then kind of blend it out just to get like a really good amount of pigment in the spot that I want it, and then blend. So as you can see, it's already giving way more depth on this side than on this side. I just like to take my brush and kind of flick the color out so there's not that like harsh line. Okay, so next we're going to put the it's like an off-white shade on the lid, and I'm just using a real crusty old Wet n Wild brush. It's an eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna alternate between these 2 shades right here, and I'm going to, there's a lot of crap coming off. I'm going to pat this around the eyelid, just kind of back and forth, right underneath the crease. A couple more dabs will do ya. And then when I get to like right around the crease, I'm kind of just pressing and like pulling it down just a little bit, just to make sure I don't go too far up. I do like to build it up just a little bit, just to make sure that this white or off-white is like, I like it pretty intense. Okay, so other eyes finished. Ignore my crusty eyelashes. They have mascara on them, but you know. Anyways, so 3 shades, that's all we use. The hardest part of this look is gonna be this eyeliner and smoking it out into that wing shape, but just, I'm gonna go slow and we are going to do this together. So let me just rave for a second. This is not something they asked me to do, but Neutrogena's Smoky Kohl eyeliner, and it rolls up, and it's affordable. Hands down, my favorite Kohl eyeliner pencil out there right now. So it's black, it stays, you can smoke it out, and it's freaking cheap. So this is how I create the smoked out look, but in like a winged liner shape. Oh my God, coffee. Let me take a drink of some water. I'm going to also use this Vintage Cosmetic Company, what is this? A brush to do the smoking out. Anyways, let's do this. So it's gonna look messy at first, but don't forget that's, you're gonna smoke it out and all the things. So first thing I'm gonna do is just line my eyes, the top. You're gonna be like, what the F? This looks like crap. Just wait, you wait. You just wanna make sure you have plenty of product to smoke out. I just take it from edge to edge or corner to corner, whatever, just like that. I go in with the brush, kind of the same brush, but it's an e.l.f. one. So now I'm taking the eyeshadow brush and I'm kind of just moving this eyeliner around, but I'm also like, I'm scooting it to get it smoothed out, and then I'm taking it and I'm pulling the product like upward a little bit to give it that smoked out appearance. Slowly pull some of the eyeliner out so we can start making our wing shape. So in your head, just kind of like act like you have eyeliner on your brush and you're just making the wing shape. It's gonna take some time. This is, like I said, the hardest part of the look, but once you like get the hang of it, it's really probably easier than putting on liquid or like a pen or, you know, something like that. Also, just a little tip, like if you're feeling like you don't have enough product on your eyelid to stretch it out to get the wing, just like go like this on the brush and take it from there. Obviously you don't have to do the wing, but that is the look that I did. You could even just stop it at the edge there and still have like a really nice smoked out look. But you know me, I'm a drama freak. I like the drama. So just keep playing with it until you get where you want to get. Okay, so popped on some lashes. Now we're going to work on the lower lash line. Going to go back to our Neutrogena Kohl eyeliner, and we're gonna smoke out the lower lash line. So I'm just gonna go into my waterline. I'm gonna just go right about where my eye, what is that, my pupil? What is that? My eyeball? No, this, the black, brown. Are you confused? Me too. I'm not gonna go all the way across. I'm just gonna stop right here. And then I'm going to kind of drag it down a little bit, like kind of like we did with the top, just so we have something to smoke out. Boom, bam, thank you. Okay, so now that we've got our eyeliner and our waterline and we brought it down just a little bit, I'm gonna go in with a dark brown, like a dark chocolatey brown shade. I went in with this one right here. I'm using the same brush that I used to smoke out the top, to smoke out the bottom, and then I'm going to start smoking it out. I'm just mixing it with that black and making some ugly ass faces. I'm kind of swiping back and forth. Oh, and poking myself in my eyeball. And dragging it down a little bit, but mainly just swiping it back and forth with the brown and the black. So now I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lash line. This is the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. Really like this mascara for making your lashes look super, super long. And it has like a nice like pointed tip to it, so you can like really get in there on those lower lashes, the corners. This is a really good mascara if you are into like really elongated, spread out lashes. I love it. I love it. Okay, I'm also going to run this right along underneath the strip lashes just to make my lashes blend a little bit better with the strips. Last but not least, we're gonna put these lips on. We got the Tarte's lip paint. This is in the shade XOXO. Let's put this on. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope that this was helpful. I hope you can recreate it. If you do, tag me. I would love to see this look on another face besides myself. And thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you guys prefer tutorials where I'm like talking through what I'm doing, or you just like simple, like just showing you what I'm doing with some music over it. I would really love to know, because I'll shut my mouth if y'all want me to. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Be bougie.